All right, I'm the flat rate master. And what is my everyday carry? All right, so this is gonna be a short video, but what do I carry every day, all day long when I'm working on cars? Okay, well, the first one, my cell phone. I've test driven without my cell phone and it ended badly. It involved me walking. So I carry my cell phone. No, I'm not sitting there chatting on it or any of that stuff, but got to make sure, you know, test driving a car that you just got the ticket on and it stalls out on you, you got a way to call and go, come pick me up. Number two is flexible magnet. Now I have a bunch of these and they're Matco part number MP15XO. I think pretty much every tool truck you can get these. You can get them on Amazon, I'm sure. You know, I keep spares. All right, next one is probably one of the most important tools in this business. I mean, this has made me, I can't tell you how much money. A pen. I know, it's simple. You know, yeah, here we do paperless ROs, so I don't use this quite as much. I generally kept a, you know, large pack of pens for writing ROs, but now it's for writing on wiring diagrams, you know, taking notes, stuff like that. But a pen is a very powerful tool in this business. So I always have one. Force a habit, probably don't need to carry one, but I still do. And this one is, I'm sure a lot of guys carry this. The pocket pry bar. Gotta have the pocket pry bar. Pocket screwdriver. Some prefer the ones with the magnet, some prefer them without. I'm kind of going towards without, but everybody tends to send them with the magnets. Gotta have them, gotta have them, gotta have them. You know, Eric, the car guy, called it his 11th finger. You know, I use this all day long. Wiring connectors, hose clamps, you know, for snorkels, tons of uses. Couldn't live without one of these, or like a bunch, because I keep a bunch. Because when they're giving them out, I grab a bunch. So, these are hard to come by, so you got to get your tool guy to give them to you. Next everyday carry is my Stryon lights. The XL here, and I got a standard one. You can see the flashy light up there. I prefer the small ones to these. These go in my mouth. These are a little, you know, insert joke here. Now, for carrying it, I normally just put it in my back pocket and worked well until the uniforms start wearing out and they don't fix them because it's just a pocket and then it's coming out your pant leg. So I've since gone to one of these holsters by Night Eyes Innovations. You can buy them on the trucks. I don't. Nylon, belt clip style. I keep it on my side. Now the thing about these is they're elastic and they do wear out. I buy them on Amazon by the 5-packs. Once they start getting worn out, the flashlight will start falling out the bottom. I'm done. Just replace it. So you can buy these on the tool truck, but they tend to be stupid expensive when you can buy them for like $6 on Amazon or something like that. So I order a 5-pack of them and replace them as needed. So that's my everyday carry. I know a bunch of guys are going, what? No knife? No knife? No knife? No knife. I do not carry a knife. You want to know why? I tend to put it in my front pocket, and if I don't have a fender cover on there, I've got a belt clip right about fender level because that's where I tend to have the car, and So I do not have a knife on me. Why? Because I don't want to damage cars. And so what I've done is I've compensated for that. I have 2 knives on my cart. I've got a knife on a tray on my yellow toolbox. And on this toolbox, I have a knife. And I have another knife. Now this is a cheapie that was given to by former tech here, Andrew. Just a replaceable blade, you know, razor knife. And free knives I got from Matco. I don't spend a lot of money for knives because, well, I use them to cut boxes. So I don't tend to spend money on them. I try to get the razor knives or whatever for free, but I keep a lot of knives around so I don't have to put it in my pocket so I don't damage cars. That's why I don't carry a knife. And it's a good thing this knife's a free giveaway because it doesn't hold an edge real well. I have to resharpen it pretty often, but it's good enough for opening boxes. I hope you like this video about my everyday carry. What do you have on you all the time when you're working on cars? Let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.